If you're looking for total car protection with advanced AI safety features, this dash cam means business automobile video camera. Today, I'm reviewing the Neideso N900-4CH dash cam, a powerful 4-channel, 360-degree system with 4K recording and driver monitoring. 4K plus triple 1080p 4-channel recording. This dashcam records 4K in the front and 1080p on 3 additional cameras, giving you full 360-degree coverage inside and outside the vehicle. STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor. Powered by the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, this camera delivers excellent clarity in low light, nighttime driving, and harsh lighting conditions. AI driver monitoring system. The built-in AI driver monitoring system detects fatigue and distraction, adding an extra layer of safety for long drives and rideshare use. 5G Wi-Fi plus built-in GPS. With 5G Wi-Fi, you can quickly download footage to your phone, while GPS tracking records speed and location for accurate driving data. Night Vision plus 24H parking mode. Advanced night vision ensures clear footage after dark, and 24-hour parking mode keeps your car protected even when parked. Complete 360 degrees vehicle coverage. No blind spots with 4 cameras. Excellent night performance. STARVIS 2 sensor makes a big difference. Ready to use out of the box. Includes a 128GB SD card. Installation takes time. Multiple cameras require careful setup. Parking mode may require hardware kit for full-time monitoring. If you want maximum coverage, AI-powered safety features, and top-tier night vision, the Neideso N900-4CH dash cam is an excellent choice for families, rideshare drivers, and anyone serious about vehicle security. Protect every angle of your drive. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more dash cam and car tech reviews.